How a bill becomes a law in the Philippines. The process of turning a bill into Constitution of the Philippines and involves multiple steps to ensure thorough review and debate. Here's an overview of the process. 1. Drafting and filing. Definition. A bill is a proposed legislation that is filed in either the House of Representatives or the Senate. Who can file a bill? Members of Congress, senators, or representatives. The President of the Philippines, through their department secretaries. Citizens, via the People's Initiative process. 2. First reading. What happens? The bill's title and number are read. It is referred to the appropriate committee for study and recommendation. No debate occurs at this stage. 3. Committee review and public hearings. What happens? The assigned committee examines the bill. Stakeholders and the public may be invited to provide inputs through hearings. The committee prepares a report recommending approval without amendments, approval with amendments, substitution with a new version, rejection of the bill. 4. Second reading. What happens? The bill is debated on the floor. Members may propose amendments. Voting occurs after the debate. Voice vote. Members verbally express support or opposition. Nominal vote. Individual votes are recorded. 5. Third reading. What happens? The final version of the bill is read without further amendments. Members cast their votes. If the bill is approved by majority vote, it proceeds to the other chamber, Senate or House of Representatives. 6. Transmission to the other chamber. What happens? The approved bill is transmitted to the other chamber, House or Senate. The process, first, second, and third readings, is repeated. Both chambers must pass the same version of the bill. 7. Bicameral Conference Committee. When it happens. If the two chambers pass different versions of the bill. What happens? A bicameral conference committee reconciles the differences. A compromise version is drafted and submitted for approval by both chambers. 8. Enrollment and submission to the President. What happens? The final, approved version of the bill, enrolled bill, is sent to the President of the Philippines. 9. Presidential action. Options for the President. 1. Sign the bill. The bill becomes law. 2. Veto the bill. The President returns the bill to Congress with written objections. Congress may override the veto with a 2/3 vote of each chamber. 3. Allow the bill to lapse into law. If the President does not act on the bill within 30 days, it automatically becomes law. 10. Publication and implementation. What happens? Once signed or passed into law, the law is published in the Official Gazette or a newspaper of general circulation. The law takes effect 15 days after publication, unless otherwise specified. Flowchart summary. 1. Drafting and filing. 2. First reading. 3. Committee review. 1. Second reading, debate and amendments. 5. Third reading, final approval. 6. Other chambers approval. 7. Bicameral conference, if needed. 8. Presidential action. 9. Publication and effectivity. Key constitutional provisions. Article 6. Section 26-1. No bill shall become law unless it has passed 3 readings on separate days in both chambers. Article 6, Section 27, describes the President's options: sign, veto, lapse into law.